Greetings to all my students. I wish you all are fine and in good health. So let's begin our today's class with the chapter The Lament by Anton Chekhov from your book Woven Words. Student, this particular chapter has been taken from the very first section of your book called Short Stories. This is a short story written by Anton Chekhov. As the name itself suggests, Anton was a Russian. So the story was originally written in Russian language and later on it was translated into 24 languages across the world. Before moving on to the depth of the story, I would like you to know the meaning of the lament here. It is must for you to know the meaning of title first because we will see the whole story rotates around the title. It reflects everywhere in the theme. So you should know the meaning of lament here. Lament means extreme grief, extreme pain and sadness. Done. So the students in this particular story we will see the concept of the society has changed. We are living as an individuals. The writer Anton Chekhov will mainly highlight the theme how society has changed. We are living as an individuals here. We are not supposed to cooperate with each other. We have become extremely selfish, motive and ruthless. Actually the word should be this ruthless. We are totally indifferent to the pain of other. So he will also reflect the theme like after this modernization concept, we human beings are behaving totally so indifferent with each other. Writer has beautifully portrayed the theme here. Anton Chekhov has mainly portrayed the main character of the story as Iona Potpov. We will see only the single character in the story, and he was Iona Potpov. He was the main protagonist story. It means he was the central character. The whole theme will rotate around this man. Who was Iona Potpov now? He was an old cab driver. In this video, I will share the brief synopsis of the story with you. Okay, students. So, who was Iona Potpov? He was an old cab driver. This story is about the Iona Potpov, and he was an old cab driver. He was a person who was grieved extremely. He was feeling so extremely sad because he had lost his young son some weeks ago. In the story we will see this man has lost his son some weeks ago, so he was desperately trying hard to share his emotion with the people around it, but every time he tried to do, he was ignored by the society. He was ignored by the people around him. Nobody was interested in listening to his grief. Then he was downtrodden, he was shattered by this irreparable loss. So obviously as a father it is the biggest unfortunate on father's part when your young son got expired and you remain alive on the earth. So students, we will see this person Iona was a person who was left with emptiness. This man Iona Potpa was lost with emptiness. Even snowfall fell on his back, but he would remain indifferent. He would spend hours and hours just thinking about nothing, and his attempts were refuted. Every time he tried to come across the people, but he was refused. He was torn away by those selfish people. So in the end of the story we will find he tried to share his emotion with the character. This character was his little horse. I told you he was a cab driver. He used to drive a car. A cab drive a cab, so his little horse became his final companion, his ultimate friend. with whom he shared all his grief and the sadness of his heart. Okay, in the story we will also see that he lamented on the grief that the world has changed. Iona Potter would say how people are selfish here, that none of human beings was ready to go ahead with his story. He wanted to share the story of his young son with all his customers, but he was every time refused by those people. So we in this story we will see these things, and the story also revealed the psychoanalysis of Iona Popter as an individual who was suffering from his lament. The ruthlessness of the society will also be highlighted in the story. Here is a short description I share with you. This story reveals the psychological depiction of the character of a cab driver, Iona Popter, who is not able to find a person with whom he can share the sorrow of his son's death. As I told you, this story will talk about the cab driver, an old man who couldn't find any companion to share his grief, and finally he tells everything to his little lords and then feels satisfied and relieved. And the story will also highlight the ruthless behavior of society and his inability to express the pain and the need to be sympathized by Iona. So, students, we will find how the world was unmoved by his emotions and his sadness, and the story finally becomes the revelation of the deep sorrows of this old poor father. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.